ready to unlock a floodgate of creativity with unlimited, free image generation. Today, we're diving deep into Nano Banana, showing you how to access its incredible features, completely free of charge. First, head over to nanobanana.com using your favorite web browser. It's the gateway to your endless image possibilities. Once you're on the site, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface, designed for easy navigation. No need to register or sign up. Just scroll down. This is where the magic happens. The text prompt box. Describe what kind of image you want. Be as detailed as possible. The more specific you are, the better the AI can understand your vision. Explore the options available. You can usually find settings to adjust the image style, aspect ratio, and other parameters to fine-tune your output. Once you're satisfied with your prompt and settings, hit that Generate button and watch the AI work its magic. Within seconds, Nano Banana will conjure an image based on your description. If it's not quite right, tweak your prompt and generate again. Experiment with different prompts and styles. The possibilities are truly endless. You can generate images for your presentations, social media, or even just for fun. And of course, once you've got the perfect image, you can easily download it for use in your projects. So unleash your creativity with Nano Banana and say goodbye to expensive stock photos. You now have unlimited, free images at your fingertips. Happy creating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome free resources.